Hello, sweet friend, come stay, a gentle story drifts your way. Bluey wakes up, soft paws on the floor, sunlight shines bright through the door. She yawns so wide, tail sways light, her eyes sparkle warm, morning so bright. Outside she runs, the grass feels new, birdsong sings clear, skies painted blue. Near the old tree, she hears a sound, a tiny soft mew comes from the ground. There in the shade, whiskers so small, a little cute kitten curls in a ball. Its fur is fluffy, colors so sweet, its paws are tiny, its nose petite. Bluey steps close, gentle and slow, the kitten looks up, eyes start to glow. Hello new friend, come play with me, Bluey twirls fast with happy glee. The kitten meows soft, jumps to her side, they tumble together in laughter wide. The breeze is warm, the clouds drift white, they chase and they roll with pure delight. The kitten pounces, paws so quick, Bluey bounces back, the game is slick. They run around, tails swing high, their giggles ring loud under the sky. A butterfly flutters, golden and bright, the kitten leaps up, paws catch the light. Bluey claps paws, hooray, so fun, the play goes on under the sun. Subscribe, dear friend, come join us too, we'll share more games with love for you. The day grows warm, grass tickles feet, they find soft flowers, smelling sweet. Bluey makes crowns, woven with care, the kitten sits still, blossoms in hair. Together they dance, a gentle parade, joy in each step, memories made. The wind whooshes soft, leaves twirl round, their paws pat the earth, tapping the ground. They slide on hills, rolling so fast, laughing and tumbling, hoping it lasts. The kitten purrs loud, snug at Bluey's side, warmth fills her chest, hearts open wide. They rest in shade, a cool sweet place, peace on their cheeks, smiles on each face. The river sings low, ripples so clear, they watch little fish shimmer near. Bluey dips toes, water feels cool, the kitten splashes, turning the pool. Droplets fly high, glitter in air, they shine like jewels, floating fair. They play with sticks, boats set free, racing them fast toward the sea. The kitten meows bright, paw taps the stream, Bluey claps paws, their eyes both gleam. Later they rest, bellies so full, dreaming of clouds, fluffy and wool. Bluey tells tales, stars yet to glow, stories of places she wants to go. The kitten blinks slow, tail curls tight, purring so soft in the fading light. Moths dance close, wings silver bright, the world grows calm, sweet is the night. Subscribe, dear friend, and stay so near, more tales await, more joy and cheer. The moon climbs high, stars blink above, the night feels wrapped in gentle love. Bluey leans close, whispers so true, best little kitten, I'm glad for you. They close their eyes, dreams drift through, Bluey loves you, too.